Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Spreadsheet account and your Zoom account with System.io. So there are these 5 types of integrations that you can currently have in System.io. You first have to go to your profile, your settings, and then inside settings you have to go to integrations, and this is where you're going to see these 5 settings. And this is where you're going to see these 5 integrations here: Zoom, Google Meet, Google Spreadsheets, ActiveCampaign, and Google Calendar. You want to connect your Google Spreadsheet account with your System.io. All you have to do is click over here. You'll see mine is already connected here, but when you click on Google Spreadsheet, you will see an option here to add an account. Just click on add an account. And then you will have to select your account. And then click on continue. You will see this page where System.io wants access to your account. This is totally okay. Just make sure you read everything and then click on continue. And that's it. Your Google Spreadsheet account will be connected with System.io. Now you can do the same thing with Zoom. Just go ahead and click here on Zoom. Click on connect. You will then be asked to sign in your Zoom account, so make sure you add your correct details here and then click on sign in. Next, System.io will ask you for some permissions, so make sure you read this well, and then once you're done, click on allow. And there we go. Zoom is already connected to System.io. You will get an email confirming the integration. Now, let's say you want to set up some automation. So when someone signs up or registered, or maybe someone has a specific tag, you then want to add them to a Google spreadsheet. So how do you do that? In order to do that, you'll have to go to automations, go to workflows, then go ahead and create a workflow. I'm just going to use a test one that I have here. Go ahead and create your first trigger. So for example, in this case, let's say I want to add everyone who has a specific tag to a Google spreadsheet. So choose your trigger will be tag added and then select the tag. So make sure you already have the tag created first before you create the workflow. So let's say people who have the tag 30-day content challenge, these are the people I want to add in the Google spreadsheet. Go ahead and click on create. Next, you are going to select an action, choose an action, and then you will select add a new row to Google spreadsheet. And then you are going to select your drive and then click here on select file to select the spreadsheet you want to connect. So let's say in this case, I want to connect the System.io spreadsheet that I've already created in my Google account. So click on it and then select the worksheet. Now the next thing you have to do is you will have to transfer details from System.io to your Google spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and select the name here. So you're going to search for name. All right, I found the first name here. I'm just going to go ahead and select this. And then over here, you're going to select an email address value. So click on it and look for email address. There we go. We found an email address value. So I'm going to select this. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on create. you want to go ahead and add more actions, you can go ahead and select more actions. For example, you can send an email, or you can add them to a campaign, or maybe you can enroll them to a course or give them access to a community. So there are plenty of options here that you can select from. Once you're done, go back and activate your workflow. And then do a test to see if the workflow is working well and that details or data is being added into your Google spreadsheet.